SMK Lutong is located at Miri City, Sarawak, the land of hornbills.
This school has 2,333 students and 140 teachers.
SMK Lutong was awarded the Cluster School of Excellence.
And our niche areas are mathematics and athletics.
Hello, my name is Angelisha.
I'm Arifa.
I'm Charlotte.
I'm Izul.
And I'm Ryan.
And we are from SMK Lutong.
Student does not have places to sit during roll call and assembly. They have to sit on the dirty and uncomfortable floor.
Hey guys, look how many rocks are on my hands.
Oh, mine too.
Forget for the hands. The ground is harsher on bottoms.
And having to dust off ourselves every time we get up is too troublesome.
Agree. All of these factors make the assembly so much exclusive.
I wish the school could provide chairs for us students during assembly.
Yes, but chairs are quite expensive. How's the school going to afford chairs for more than 2,000 students?
Oh wait, guys, I think I might have an idea. Come on, follow me.
Okay.
Well, I figured that since we have so much plastic bottles here, we can maybe recycle them into portable stools. Plus, it won't cost that much either.
I think it's a pretty solid idea. Maybe we can even use the worn out tires over there too to make the chairs.
Are you sure it's going to work? What if it's crumbled apart the moment we sit on it?
I think we can think of a way to make it more sustainable later on.
So should we collect a few of these and try to make them?
Okay.
Sure.
Our ideas we've discussed for our portable chairs have all failed. What do we do?
Isn't this something we can use to stabilize it?
Hey, I just realized something. Can we use those chairs over there?
That's a great idea. Let's sketch it out with our group later.